Okay, we're back. We're working on hoses now. So we found the push lock hose, but these barbs on the tank are sharp, just like a push lock barb, and which means once it goes on there, it doesn't want to come back off again.
At all.
So we're going to go back to the fuel injection hose that we've been using, because it's still good. So we'll use that. The ratchet was down here. Or at least that part was. So we'll put that one back up in there. It's fine anyway. And I'm going to get another, put a feed line on too. Here it is over here. We'll put that on the bike also. Want a more extension on that? I got more. Here's another one, unless you got a long one. I'll use a short one? Okay. You either get real close or get real far, your choice. There it goes, pop.
Seeing is nice for getting in little bitty spots.
Oh yeah, that's tight.
Alright.
She's up in there.
Extension come out.
Can I hold that down for you, or are you good?
I think I got it.
Get the throttle cable out of the way here for you. There we go.
I better put extension on this one.
Okay. Right here. And the other throttle cable.
Feels good.
You like that one? Boom, throttle cable out of the way.
These guys come over here and they got a little clip on the tank. Kind of keeps these up and out of the way, like that. That's nice.
Okay. How'd you have this car hose going through here or on the bottom? Probably on the
I
bottom.
think I came over here.
And how'd you get up the top?
It's easier to start on the top.
Looks like you came down the back of the motor mount, I'm guessing. I'm guessing you went down like this, through the top like this.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
So,
The petcock shoots inwards, so it goes over the top motor mount with a hose and then down the back side. Okay, go down. Should be going down.
now I can get it. Thank you.
Yeah, the bow switch is right there fighting you, so. Tight quarters in there. Push it a little further and get it. Your finger. Okay, and on it there a little bit. Okay, and it's a swivel, so it should move, but it doesn't. Oh, you got extended bolts in this stupid thing. That's what I didn't get.
What do I got?
Extended float ball bolts right in the way of the fitting coming through here.
Oh yeah. Those are handy when you're on the road though.
Yeah, but it's a pain in the ass to put the damn hose on. This clamp needs to be loosened up to be installed.
Yeah, those things are really nice when you're on the road fighting things.
Mm-hmm. Got these extended nut things in the way here, but it's in the way of the hose. You got that one on there, my balls?
It's trying to run away from me.
Yeah, this hose has to be, the clamp has to be turned 90 degrees and loosened up. Clamp does not want to move, it's tight. This clamp is pinched on tight. Oh, here's the hose over here. You got yours where it needs to be?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna turn this over. You might get in the way of my petcock if I don't.
Alright, I need two hands here. Try to get that hose clamp loosened up.
Maybe we can put some miles on this thing tomorrow. The weather cooperates.
I'm gonna take me on the other black down.
We're gonna have to. You got your chiropractor's appointment. You gotta go to no matter what.
Your appointment.
Oh, it's mine.
Was that
It was
today?
one of ours.
That was today.
That's tomorrow.
Okay, can you put a little pressure on that hose for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, push a little bit more. Keep pushing. Okay, it's not.
Bolt is in the way.
As far as I can this thing to go on. That's loose, but there we go. It's under good now. It's under adequately.
Like, pull this plastic tubing down so it's touching on the fins.
Yeah, I understand. I'm tightening the whole clamp right now. Run away from me. I'll use a screwdriver in after this. Okay, where's it at? Can you get the tubing at all or not? It's way up
Yeah,
there.
hold on. Let me might be able to drag it down like this.
The hose is bending out the tube.
Show them like that.
Not much room here, access to help.
Pop this off of here. Maybe I can straighten it out a little bit so I can move. Now maybe.
I need to see how to get that warm. Oh, you're over here. Yeah, you're all the way over.
I just pulled it off and shipped it over.
You're all the way against my clamp. You don't even have to be that far in. Pull out almost an inch if you need to. I'm trying to work that up backwards, all right?
Did my clamp fall down with me or did I take it off?
Take it off right there. That's it.
Do myself a favor, tuck that tin in before I get it back on there.
Oh, yeah, here.
Way back here. Grab it right here. I got it.
Put your clamp on there. Should we want to probably up like this, fast, I imagine.
It gets out of there. Let me see if we can already push it over.
Push from the bottom, push on the top now.
Does that help?
Yeah, push now. Keep going, it's coming, keep going. Okay, I think you're on far enough.
We got more room if we need it. There's plenty of room.
We'll get some more pushing in. I don't think it's going any more than that. You're good. I think it's all the way in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all the way in now. Take that around right there, and where's your ratchet right here? Tighten it down a little bit. Go all the way down before you can pre-tighten it. That's gonna go up on your road here. screwdriver to get to it. Push rod covers in the way. Or angle it differently.
That's beautiful, just like that. Okay. There.
Okay, what do you tighten this with over this side? You want to try a screwdriver?
See what we got going on here.
Can't use a ratchet because the push rod's in the way.
Okay.
And this, you get this, the bolts in the way of changing any with their
Well, I
angle.
probably should have went backwards to that, so we could have gone out like this.
Well, the bolt's right there. You wouldn't be able to get the bolt head now. It's right up against the hex. You can do the hex there. You know, small screwdrivers tighten it that way, or you can loosen that and put it straight down and come underneath. That'd probably be better. Go underneath for this stretch. Maybe.
Yeah. So we can get to it like that.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. That's how it should be done.
It's too high. Reverse this thing around. Limited clearance.
Is it quarter inch here? I don't do.
I got it. It's loosened up. Turn around. Okay, here you go. It's on your side now. Flip the head over. Hold on the bottom there a little bit. Now we got excess. Good now. I don't know who the dumbass put on the other way with. That's stupid. Who would do something like that? It just doesn't make any sense at all.
No drag on this wrench is really nice too,
Yeah.
because it doesn't have any teeth in it, you know? Like this is about as low drag as you can get. That's beautiful.
It had a lot of slack in it, it felt like.
You
but-
see?
Yeah, I
It's
didn't think it was.
just no teeth. I mean, you
Mhm.
probably break it fairly easily if you put too much on it, but
Yeah.
it's really nice for this tedious work. I'm tight enough. I don't
Come up a
wanna
little
come
bit.
back
You
on
got a lot of
here.
torque on it.
That's plenty.
Okay. We're back
Splinty.
in.
What's the name of this company? Ulsa Tools.
Okay, that's clamped on there. Got good torque on that one. You got good torque on the other clamp. I think this is the repaired clamp up here, so it works good. Yep. Okay. Okay, everything is in there now.
Get our timing cover back on here.
So we probably got now is ignition switch and issues. Got to mount the seat back down, obviously.